Hi guys, my name is Pratik Joshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be understanding how to use DigiYatra when you're traveling from one location going to the other location and in between you have a layover. All of this only in India. So I'm traveling from Goa going to Kerala and in between I have my layover in Bangalore. How to use DigiYatra from start to finish, all of it you're going to be understanding in this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So as you can see, this is my ticket on the DigiYatra app. For security reasons, I have blurred out all the details, but once you add your credentials and upload your boarding pass, you will have all the details basically on one QR. You have to just scan this QR at the entry and you will be sorted. In case you need help in creating your DigiYatra account and uploading your boarding pass, a separate video on that has been made and the link of the same is in the I button and in the description of this video. My Goa to Bangalore flight was somewhere around 8 am, so I packed my bags and left for the Mopa airport at around 6:30 am. My house is 15 minutes away from the airport, so usually a nice morning drive with no traffic takes me 10 minutes. And as you can see, the view is absolutely beautiful. Reaching the airport, the first thing that I did was check for any DigiYatra branding that I could see and where I could get a faster entry. But since there was no rush in the morning, I just chose to go to the closest gate and entered with the queue. All I had to do was wait in line and let the camera scan me. After a quick entry, I went to the airline check-in counter, showed my DigiYatra QR to them and checked in my luggage. After that, I made my way to the security check, which was through an escalator, and joined the DigiYatra line for security check. Same here, basically wait in line for a bit and then let the scanner do its thing. After the entry, all I had to do was put all my hand baggage in the trays and go through the security check. Once done, I walked to the boarding gate and waited for my flight to arrive. So once the boarding began, I let the airline personnel scan my DigiYatra QR code and simply just walk to the aircraft. I got my seat and I think immediately we took off from Goa. Isn't the takeoff something that still gives you butterflies? At least for me it does. So after an hour, I think cruising towards Bangalore, we were ready to land. Once we landed, I made sure that I had my new boarding pass, basically the one which was going to give me entry from Bangalore to Kerala for the flight. That was uploaded on DigiYatra. So then walking to the transfers, again I found a small door with a DigiYatra board that said that if the flight is within 90 minutes, you can enter. But since I had time, I said, why not take the usual route and went to the transfer section of the Bengaluru domestic airport. My luggage was directly coming to Kerala since both my flights were from Indigo. And then at the transfer security, again I just went to the DigiYatra line, let the machine scan my face. After my entry inside, I just proceeded to the security check, and as usual the face got scanned, I got my hand baggage scanned and again passed through security. Once that was done, all that was left for me to do was board the flight and reach Kerala. So since there was crazy amounts of crowd now boarding the flight, the entry was done as per zones. So again I waited my turn, and once that was done, I boarded my flight and went straight to my seat. After the takeoff, all that was left for me to do was catch up on some sleep that I had lost one night before and wake up in God's own country, Kerala. The aerial view was simply beautiful and stunning. So once I landed, I went straight to the baggage claim, picked up my luggage there, and as you can see how easy it was to travel using DigiYatra. At one place, you don't even have to show something, just let the scanner scan your face, and at the other, just show the QR and let the security personnel and the airline personnel scan that QR. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you have any questions regarding DigiYatra and with respect to connecting flights, don't forget to mention them in the comment section below. I'll be seeing you for the next video. So until then, be happy, stay safe, and take care of your loved ones.